Okay, let's talk about commenting. In the ActionScript window, there's a neat little piece of functionality you can do, and this isn't really any ActionScript per se, it's just functionality of the Actions window itself. And it's called commenting. It gives you the ability to leave yourself notes or to disable a piece of code so that you can test something and debug it if you're having issues. And it's a pretty simple thing. It's // and then you'll notice that those slashes went gray, and then you can type in anything you want. And I'm going to say here, load in movie. This is just a little comment for me. So later on, if I do, again, have tons and tons of lines of code, I can break them up and give myself little hints and help throughout the code. So again, this is commenting. Let me go ahead and that's the first way to do it. That's the very simple way. If I wanted to disable this load movie line per se, I can just put my cursor in front of it, // you'll notice it goes gray. So it's disabled. Now when I test my movie, that wouldn't work, and I can use that to kind of debug if I'm having problems. To uncomment, you simply remove the slashes. Now, you may have 20 or 30 lines of code that you'd like to disable, and going through each line and adding a slash is not going to be the most fun time you could have. So there is another way to also do this commenting. And what you do is you add a /*, which is Shift 8, and then at the end of the block of code you add a */ to stop the commenting, and then after that you can just go ahead and add new code if you needed to, and it will be available. To disable that piece of comment, you just simply get rid of those */, and you're back to normal again. So commenting is very helpful. We'll be using that quite often. I use that a lot to kind of prep my different actions that I'll need. Perhaps I know that I'm going to need to load a certain thing. I'll go ahead and just write a comment saying add load script here, or use it as a placeholder as I start to build things out. So very useful.